What's up, guys? Man, a lot trending right now. Popogiri arrested. Tiwa Savage escape on social media. That is one thing that is going on right now. Let's listen to Tiwa Savage first, where she said, yes, nobody will see the escape. A few hours after that, the sensitive made it to the social media, and now many people are forming different kind of opinions about that. But before we proceed further, thank you guys for always supporting Free West Deep. Big shout out to you guys. If you are new to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below, the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos. But if already subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and make sure you share our videos across social media platforms so that others will get to see what is trending and what we are talking about on social media. And don't fail to drop your comment, because that is also important to us in the comment section. All right, before we start talking about the sensitive, let's talk about Tonto Dike and Popogiri at this point in time. Actress Tonto Dike reportedly effected the arrest of her ex-boyfriend Popogiri. That is something now trending on social media. Why some other persons are saying yes, Tonto Dike is using her influence to actually garner this and get this young man arrested, because they all both culprits of this whole affair that is going on. According to what this person said, he said DIG Joseph Egbunike has ordered the arrest and detention of Prince Popogiri, who is asking Tonto Dike to return his Lexus SUV after both lovers parted ways. Tonto is allegedly using her relationship with the DIG to teach Popogiri a lesson for messing with her. That is something that somebody has actually said about this whole thing. And this issue is disturbing, because to an extent, we've not seen the real escape of Jemina, which they promised to actually publish on social media. And then a lot of people are kind of waiting for it earnestly. And in the middle of the wait, we saw that of Tiwa Savage, and that is getting scandalous at this point in time. Right now, let's talk about Tiwa Savage. That is the main issue right now, and a lot of people need to actually understand that, yes, Tiwa Savage is in a deep mess. But before I start with Tiwa Savage, Popogiri's video where he was arrested came online, and that is being circulated right now on social media. Yes, Tiwa Savage came to the to an interview to tell us that yes, a particular sex tape of hers is making around on social media, which a lot of people, inclusive of me, never believed, and we thought it was all a mess on. But still, I'm still like suspicious about the video ever since posted online by an unknown blackmailer. That is something disturbing right now. And you've got to understand that most people are blaming out Tiwa Savage's boyfriend in that video, because a lot went down about the whole, rating. And according to them, they said, the face of this person never showed in the video, and Tiwa Savage was all over in the video, and then, mourning out her pleasure. And that is all interesting, because we can't really put it out here for you to actually see. You can go and check me out on Twitter. Check my page, Free West Deep blog on Twitter, or Hillary Epogbe on Twitter. I'll be putting it on the screen right now so that you will get to actually search it. And on Instagram also, Free West Deep blog on Instagram. Then you will get to actually interact with me about this X tip right now. Yes, a media personality, Dotun, came out to say in his own opinion that he suspects Tiwa Savage boyfriend for putting out that video. But Tiwa Savage has defended the boyfriend several times, and that is something questionable. And from the video we saw so far, that means if Tiwa Savage says it's not her boyfriend, that means both of them are guilty of putting out the tape to the public. That is something I believe about that. Why Dotun, in his own opinion, making known that the boyfriend is a suspect, somebody came out to say, Ewu, all of you should get out. And then Dotun decided to carpet the person. Dotun said, Auntie, if I insult you now, they will say your forefathers were not involved or aware. Please leave me, I did my lane. I not tweet you, not tweet me. And then this person replied and said, for he is not that deep na table knife I bring you. Carry cutlass, be calming down. Na person will get matter. Don't say her boyfriend do mistake. Online in-laws, they suspect Kakiri, something like that. It is not that deep. That is coming in from Dotu right now. But you forgot to use your head that looks like a cow's ball to understand that it's not appropriate to tell someone to get out just because they have an opinion that you don't agree with. That is coming in right now. You guys need not argue about this thing. All you have to do right now is to actually give a kind of support to Tiwa Savage, because I kind of imagine what is going on in the mind of Tiwa Savage right now, and then repetition and everything. I think somebody needs to be brought to book in this, but that is not going to take down the already saved video of Tiwa Savage having it in a car on social media. And from that, it happens that Tiwa Savage all enjoyed it. And then Tiwa Savage came online or came to a particular event to tell us that nobody will see that video. Maybe she has actually settled the blackmailer. But right now, that video making it to the social media is another disturbing issue at this point in time. I think something needs to be kind of investigated at the end of the day. Yes, like the picture you're seeing on the screen right now is the guy behind, the guy that was giving Tiwa Savage in that video. And according to reports, said meet the guy in the said Tiwa Savage says tape. His name is Bolaji Karim, a music content distributor, our Mr. Nakademus. That is actually huge right now, and I think this is all disturbing. And Tiwa Savage has not responded properly ever since the video made it to the social media. All she did was get herself a wristwatch that worth about 78 million naira, and then she's all happy about that. And I think to an extent this is a disturbing video, and we have to kind of understand it to this extent. Yes, according to a source that has not been verified properly, it said Shatawale has been shot by unknown gunmen. That is a Ghanaian artist being shot, and that is what a lot of people are now waiting to confirm whether it's true or not. That is something trending on social media, but we don't know what is happening again. The rising insecurity in the world right now is actually disturbing to an extent. And the issue of Tiwa Savage, we keep updating you guys on the issue of Tiwa Savage. But for my own opinion, I believe that if Tiwa Savage says that the guy in this video should be left out, and that the guy is not the cause of this, that means both of them, they have hand in actually putting out that video, maybe to cause some kind of social media uproar and traffic and the rest. I don't really understand why, but I'm still looking forward to getting more information on this and sharing with you guys. Before I dive off, I want you guys to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos. But if already subscribed, thank you guys for always supporting Freewest Deep, sharing my videos, commenting and watching. That is what I'm grateful for right now. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Keep supporting Freewest Deep.